Right, okay, now I'll show you how to stream audio from your mobile, and sometimes it's a little bit overcomplicated. So what we do, we go to music. If I go to music, there's a record playing there, but you'll see there, if I click the silver triangle with the 3 red circles, it's just showing iPhone. It's not showing that you can connect your you can stream audio through the Audi system. So right, if you go to media, connect a new Bluetooth audio player, and nothing will happen. So what you have to do is go to menu, go to telephone, settings is in the bottom right hand corner, click settings, down to Bluetooth, click Bluetooth, down to bonded Bluetooth, and there you see Bluetooth audio devices on, bonded Bluetooth devices, click on there, click on Barry's iPhone, there, that's what we're looking for. Audio player, down to audio player, then click connect. So we're clicking connect. There you go, it's come up on your phone now. Now any audio that plays through your phone, whether it be Amazon Prime, Spotify, Apple Music, the soundtrack from any YouTube videos you're watching, will all come through the speakers. If, let's just go back here, we'll oh, Little Red Corvette Prince. I can't play it out loud, unfortunately, these days, because you get a copyright strike and they knock the whole soundtrack off. So Little Red Corvette's playing there, Prince. Over here we go to media, and if it's not already showing your phone, which it is mine, you see source in the top right hand corner. That's the top right hand button where your rotary control is. And sometimes you might have to select, you might have to go from an SD card or the USB socket to your Bluetooth, which is there, Barry's iPhone. Select, it's now playing here. I'm going to turn it up so you can see it playing on here, but I'll have to knock the soundtrack off myself. So we'll click Little Red Corvette, we'll turn it up. And I'll just put a couple of notes in, so you can see just how good the Audi Gala system and the speakers in this car are. Thanks for watching.